picture on a fire alarm device. Let's check it out. Yep, it sure is. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm going to take a break.
Oh good, now SSH is over right now, and it's 12:53 p.m., and it's the afternoon today. Let's see if—
Great garbanzos!
Junior, get over here right now.
Yes, security. What is it?
Junior, why is there a picture on a fire alarm device? You know it's not belong in a public school. It belongs at home. So take that picture off that fire alarm device right now.
Well, I put a picture on a fire alarm device because one of those false alarms are annoying. But I want that picture to stay on the horn, please.
Hey! That picture is not staying on the horn. The horn cannot hear when the fire alarm goes off. Take that picture off the fire alarm device right now.
Okay, I will. There, now I took it off.
Good. Thank you! And guess what?
What?
A police officer is coming. But hold on. I'll snap my finger to get police officer to come. I'll snap it in magic.
Yo, Junior, how dare you put a picture on a fire alarm device? You know putting a picture on a fire alarm device is not allowed to do that at public school. You know that picture is not belong in a public school. Putting a picture on the wall is to do that at home, not at school. And you're too young to go to high school. That's it. Go home right now.
Junior, how dare you put a picture on the fire alarm device at school? You do know you're not allowed to do that at all. That's it. You are grounded for 3 days. Go to your room now.
Wah.